Again, this energy healing session is intended to clear our chakras, no? To help heal our chakras, to prepare our spirit, our emotions, our mind, our physical bodies, to receive more divine light from God, no? And that divine light, we are going to apply that, no, to heal ourselves and of course to manifest the things that we want to have in our lives. Okay? No? So kumbaga yun ang gagamitin natin to help manifest the things that we want to have in our lives, especially coming 2024. No? Ayan. So everyone is welcome to join. No? Kahit first time nyo dito. Okay? Sali na po tayo na. Let's close your eyes, guys. No? Close your eyes and have your glasses of water up in front of your heart or above your heads. Much better po yun. Okay? Now let's just pray. Divine Father, Lord Jesus Christ, Divine Mother, please bless us tonight. Please bless the waters that we're going to drink. Heal our chakras, prepare our bodies, our spirits, our minds, and our hearts for your precious divine energies and divine light, that we can be empowered and healed, and please also empower the things that we want to manifest, especially for 2024. Okay, so please guys, drink na the water. Please consume it all now. Alright. So, yung mga bagong dating dito, pwede pa kayong sumali, no? Just feel the sincerity in your heart, okay? Wait lang, guys. Okay, so please close your eyes. No? And then, with humility in your hearts, no? Open your hearts to God. Then be aware of the light, the eternal light of God on top of your heads. That is the light of God. No? Then allow that light to descend into your mind, into your hearts, and to illuminate your entire being. Let the divine light, divine power of God, the eternal light, be with us all. With humility in your hearts, welcome the light and enter the light. Everyone is welcome. Everyone, please receive the light. So let's allow the light to purify our entire being, to cleanse all of our chakras, the crown chakra, the third eye, the Ajna chakra, the seat of willpower, the throat chakra, heal the throat chakra, the heart chakra, gently heal the heart chakra, heal the solar plexus chakra of everyone here, the navel chakra, the sex chakra, heal and purify. The root chakra, heal and purify the root chakra. Divine Father, please bless HDA. Bless and balance her energies. Bless Miss Christian so that she may have stability and balance. Miss Divine. Miss Divine. Inhale, exhale, Miss Divine. Allow the light to melt away any heaviness from your heart. For Maricon, please bless her, Divine Father, so that she will receive balance, equilibrium. For Miss Lian, enlightenment and balance. May she find her core, the balance, and feel the peacefulness of divine equilibrium. For Miss Roselle, she may realize and balance all of the divine energies in her inner spirit. Okay. For all of us here, those who are sincere in their healing, bless them and touch their hearts. Allow the universal light to heal you, to bring you closer to the light, to make changes in you, changes that will bring you closer to God, empower you and enlighten you. Guys, open up your palms, the palms of your hands, no, in a receiving manner, no? Receive the healing energies of God through your palms. So put up your palms, no, in a receiving manner, and receive the light, receive the empowerment to awaken your true spirit, your true divine nature, that you will remember who you are, that you are the divine child of God. Okay? Again, let's go again to all of your chakras, the crown chakra. Purification and balance. The third eye. The Ajna chakra. Align your will to the divine will of God. Now your throat chakra. Allow the universal powers to touch your throat chakra and heal them. Then your heart chakra. Allow the universal light, universal love to heal your heart chakra. Okay? Then the solar plexus, let us heal your inner child, the inner child wounds. Okay? Now the navel chakra, to heal any digestive issues. To heal any emotions. In the navel chakra. Then the sex chakra, allow the light to purify the sex chakra and heal it, to empower the sex chakra and give you rejuvenation. Okay, very good. Now let us heal the root chakra. Heal the root chakra. Remove any poverty consciousness. Remove any poverty consciousness in the root chakras. Liberate yourself from any thought patterns that lead you to poverty, the feeling of lack. Dissolve all of them now and release them. Purify the root chakra. Empower the root chakra. You are all now being liberated from your poverty consciousness. Never go back to it anymore. Okay? Now, the eternal light of God, allow the light to pour into your chakras, all of it, into your spiritual body. From the crown chakra, allow the light to enter your mind, your crown, your third eye, your throat, your heart chakra. Allow the light to illuminate your heart chakra. Allow the light to empower and illuminate the solar plexus chakra. Allow the light to illuminate the navel chakra and empower the navel chakra. Allow the light to go into the sex chakra and empower it, illuminate it. Allow the light to empower the root chakra. Fill it with abundance, fill it with light. Give you power to manifest all of your dreams. Let the light of God pour into you and circulate into your entire being. Remember who you are. You're the child of God, the divine child of God. Seek first the kingdom of God, and all of these things will come unto you. Let the light shine forever in all of us, in our hearts. Okay? Very good, guys. Now, think of that one thing that you want to manifest in 2024. That one precious thing, the priority that you want to have for 2024. That number one thing that's so important sa puso mo, no? In your heart. No? If there's one thing that you want to manifest, think of that right now. And then, with divine humility, let us ask God, no, to pour His divine light into that wish of yours. Doesn't matter what that wish is, as long as it is for the good of your life, of your life, the good of others. No? Allow the light from your crown chakra, from your heart chakra, to pour into that wish, the thing that you want to manifest. No, just focus on that. Imagine that thing that you want to manifest. Or in the divine light of God, shining so bright in your crown chakra and your heart chakra. Flood with divine light the thing that you want to manifest. Abundance, love life, happiness, peace, whatever that is good that you want to manifest in your life, that will be very beneficial for you and your loved ones, for the greater good of mankind. With God's divine power, it shall happen. It is manifested. It is in you. It is already part of your being now. Only a matter of time for that beautiful thing that you want to happen. With humility in your heart, with complete faith in God, in your crown chakra, claim this now. Connect to this energy that you want to manifest. Energy of abundance, energy of love, energy of complete healing, energy of spiritual empowerment, whatever it is that your heart wishes. Through the power of God, through the power of divine light, it will be done. So go ahead, enjoy your connection, your divine connection to the thing that you want to manifest. Fully embrace it, allow it to circulate into your entire being. Your wish and you are completely one now. Okay? 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 Now let us share this divine light to our divine planet Earth. I'd like all of us to wish the entire planet, the entire humanity for next year, 2024. Let's wish it happiness, abundance, and more love and more light for all of the sentient beings on the planet. the plants, animals, all beings of the planet, especially our brothers and sisters. Let us all use and pour into them the divine light of God, that we may all be blessed with abundance, with deeper love and light and spiritual awakening for 2024. That we may all step up in the spiritual awakening, that we may all receive with humility the divine abundance, that we may enjoy a life filled with love and happiness and healing. Okay? Divine Father, thank you so much for your divine blessings, for the empowerment, for the healing of our chakras, for preparing us to receive your divine power, your divine light, for pouring your divine love and blessing and light into our dreams, our things that we want to manifest. Thank you so much for your divine blessings. So guys, please do pray your personal prayers of gratitude to God. Okay, take your time. Our session is over, but please take your time to pray. If you haven't consumed yet the water, so please consume it all now. Drink it all now, huh? So thank you so much for your participation for our energy healing session. All right, Miss Christian, go ahead. How are you?
Hi, okay, good evening po sa inyong lahat. So, for this session, I really needed this right now.
Yes.
Thank you for making me believe in myself again with your words of wisdom from the last time we had the conversation. It meant a lot for
You're
me,
welcome.
sir.
You're
And
welcome po.
also, thank you for empowering me, and I believe in my heart that God is continuously blessing me with prosperity, abundance, and healing. And I just have to trust and surrender
Very good,
and
no?
believe that everything that's happening is meant to happen to strengthen me. And I just have to believe in myself as well.
Yes. Guys, now you can feel the power sa words ni Miss Christian. Even if you cannot see her, you can feel her heart radiating with a lot of positive energy right now. No? Correct, Miss Christian?
Yes po.
No? Guys, no? May mga nakakasense ng third eye energy dito. You could feel her energy. It's very powerful. Congratulations, madam. No? Thank you.
Thank you po.
Anything else?
Po, sir.
Hmm?
That's it.
Okay, thank you so much. No? Have a good Saturday there. Anong araw ba sa inyo? No? Pero have a good day. And Happy New Year 2024 sa'yo, ha?
Happy New Year din po. Thank you so much.
God bless you. Okay? Baba na kita, you like? Okay. Sige. Who wants to go next? So, medyo iba yung format natin ng healing today, no? I made it extra special. Dinaanan talaga natin lahat ng chakras, no? Para ma-prepare kayo, no? It's just a 20-minute energy healing session, no? To prepare you for the incoming 2024, no? So, I'm happy talaga na nag-participate kayo dito. You took the time, no? And if you want na more intensive energy healing session na ganon for manifestation, pwede pa naman, coming sa January, we can do it para buong taon, ma-empower talaga kayo, no? So, just message me, no? One-on-one energy healing session for manifestation and empowerment yun, ha? 2 hours po yun, okay? So, medyo yung kanina dito, parang, parang it's a small preview, no, of what can be done when in terms of manifestation, no?
Okay naman po, pero namiss ko yung mga session natin, yung mga nakaraan kasi parang iba kasi pag mag-meditate ka na may guide. Parang pag mag-meditate ka lang na nag-iisa ka, parang nag-i-stray kasi yung isip mo napupunta sa iba, parang hindi
Yes.
mag-concentrate ba?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So how was your experience tonight, madam?
Yung sinabi niyo po na mag-inhale, exhale ako, parang nahabol ko talaga yung hininga ko nun. Kasi parang may masakit
Oo.
dito sa likod ko na something, parang connected sa heart ko na kailangan kong
Yeah.
talaga.
Nakita ko nga no, medyo heavy talaga sa chest area mo, kaya sabi ko, no, you release it, na medyo in-assist kita noon. Yun, I think mga stress yun sa work, no? So you really have to protect your energy, no? Meron ka naman energy healing oil, apply it, no? Regularly, especially bago ka magpasok sa work, no? Para may protection ka. And tapos pag uwi mo sa bahay, no? A-apply mo ulit siya para mag-continuous yung healing mo, parang 24 hours ang nangyayari doon, no? And throughout the day, kapag nararamdaman mo medyo heavy na ulit, na-stress ka na, at least sa heart chakra and dito sa third eye, sa Ajna chakra, dito sa forehead, dito ha, tapos dito, kasi nandito yung willpower. Madam, you have to strengthen your willpower para hindi ka basta-basta maapektuhan or kapitan ng mga negative energies, no? Kasi I know, yung work mo, nature ng work mo, medyo talaga, hindi yan basta-basta, no, madam?
Thank you po.
You have to empower your willpower. Ito. No, as you apply this, you say in your prayer na, Divine Father, I align my will, my personal will to your divine will while applying this. Ulitin ko ha. Divine Father, I align my personal will to your divine will. And please empower me and protect me. Okay?
Thank you
Do
po.
that for 7 days. Tignan mo ko nung resulta, ha?
Yes po.
Okay? Anything else, madam?
Yun lang po. Pero siguro
Oh.
magpa-schedule din po ako for siguro mga January or February siguro ng yung
Sige po.
second session natin para sa
Yung another spiritual empowerment ulit, parang ng dati.
Opo.
Sige, no? Oo, no? Natutuwa ako sa'yo kasi very sincere yung mo, no? Sa spiritual development mo, no? Ang energy healing kasi ni Miss Divine is not a regular type of energy healing. Spiritual empowerment talaga, no? So, it's a 2-hour thing na ginagawa namin, no? Thank you so much, Miss Divine, for your trust and your support, ha?
Okay po. Thank you. Good
God
day.
bless you and Happy New Year, 2024, Year of the Dragon.
Okay. Happy New Year.
Okay, baba na kita ha, para makapag-ano ka dyan. Okay? Yan, Miss HDA, hello.
Yes, good evening. Ayun, ang
How are you?
Medyo okay na. Naka-recover na.
Naka-recover ka na. Ano ba yung nangyari sa'yo before? Medyo may something, no, sa heart, may
Yes.
depression, ano? O, kamusta ka na
Depression.
ngayon?
Yun, naka-recover na ako kasi yun na ngayon yung time na yun na nag-attend ako ng kinabukasan, nag-attend ako ng healing. Yun parang lahat kasi sinurinder ko kay God, basta't siya nang
Very
bahala.
good.
So,
Very good.
nagkaroon ako ng acceptance sa sarili ko, kaya yun. Maluwag,
Very
ang
good.
sarap sa pakiramdam kapag yung ino-open heart mo sa kanya lahat. Sinurinder mo lahat ng problema ang dumarating.
Amen. Amen.
Kaya yun,
Oh gosh, damang-dama ko naman yun,
nakatulog na ako
madam.
ng mahimbing,
Mhm.
yung wala na akong pangamba na iniisip pag natutulog ako. Basta't
Yes.
lalo na
May
ngayon,
peace na, no?
naka-attend ako ulit. Very
I'm happy,
thankful
no?
ako kasi
Nakaabot
at
ka.
least,
Oo.
ang sarap sa pakiramdam, ang gaang ng pakiramdam, na parang nilinis mo lahat ng yung buo mong pagkatao.
Totoo, no? Kasi nag-per chakra talaga tayo kanina. Guys, no, medyo intensive yung ginawa natin, no? Hindi ito yung regular na ginagawa natin, ano? Iba kasi kapag tinutukan talaga bawat chakras kanina. Ano na nararamdaman mo kanina? Parang may kuryente ba? Parang may magnet ba?
Yes, para bang habang nakapikit ako, para bagang mayroong nag-iilaw na parang may mga bituin na tumatakbo, na para bang sabing, iwanan mo na lahat ang problema ng 2023.
Yes.
Move on ka po
Yes.
sa 2024.
Yes, that's the idea. Kaya natin ginawa ito to prepare yung mga umattend kanina, ma-cleanse yung energy, no? At maging ready sa pagpasok ng 2024, no?
Yun.
Yung manifestation kanina, may natutukan ka naman na isang importante sa'yo na ima-manifest?
Hindi ko.
Kasi hindi mo naman kailangan sabihin, ano? Pero I think mas nag-focus siya sa healing kanina, no?
Yes po.
Pero kung ano guys, no, kung hindi kayo nakapagtutok sa isang gusto nyo kanina, yung pinaka-importante sa heart po ninyo, yun ang pupuntahan ng Divine God, na i-bless niya yon. No, kung medyo hindi ka sure kanina kung ano gusto mong i-manifest talaga, merong isang bukod tangi doon sa puso mo. Alam ni God yun. Alam ni God kung ano yung gusto natin. No? So kahit hindi mo na-verbalize kanina, nagtiwala ka naman, in-offer mo, God, ikaw na bahala.
Yes.
You know better. Ginigilig naman ako sa'yo, madam. I'm so happy, no? Na-inspire ako sa sinasabi mo dito, ha?
Parang nabunutan, parang natanggal yung puot, yung galit sa dibdib.
Yes.
Natanggal lahat. Parang pakiramdam ko ang gaang-gaang ng sarili ko. Bit-bit ko na
Heavenly.
napakagaang, hindi mabigat.
Heavenly.
Yun. Kaya
So, yun.
thankful
Tapos,
din.
welcome po and happy that you're here. Tapos guys, no, since nag-blessing din tayo ng interplanet, ng humanity kanina, no, for 2024. So just imagine, a lot of good karma ang na-earn natin doon. Kasi we tried to bless, no, from the purity and humility of our hearts. No, we tried to bless, no. We tried to give. We shared the blessing of God, no. So there's good karma there, no. So mga nag-participate talaga kanina, sineryoso ito. Congratulations, na. Ayan. Di nyo alam, no? May mga surprise pa lang ganun. Di nyo alam, kala nyo ganun-ganun lang. Meron yun, guys. So, the more that we bless, no? Other people, the entire planet, plants and animals, all sentient beings, sabihin lahat ng beings na merong feelings, na nabubuhay, no? No? Pag binibless natin yan, binabalik din ni God yung blessing sa atin. So, kumbaga, double-double yung blessing natin actually kanina. No? Hindi ko lang sinasabi, pero now you know. No? Kaya congratulations sa mga nag-participate po talaga kanina with sincerity and humility in their hearts. Anything else po, Madam HDA?
Ayun lang. Thank you and Happy New Year to all.
Happy New Year po. Happy 2024 sa'yo. No?
So much.
God bless.
Thank
Baba na
you
kita
din.
ha.
Okay po.
Thank you.
Thank you din.
No, tsaka naka-green pa yung background din yung ano. No, green na green. So, green is healing energy yan, ano?
Yes.
Kung gano'n ka-green, madam, yung painting sa likod mo, yung mga kung gano'n kahitik-hitik yung puno dyan, ganun po yung darating sa inyo for 2024, no? Paggugulat ka na lang, parang monthly, parang ang dali naman, parang may blessing ako laging monthly, may pa-surprise sa akin si Papa God. Masasabi mo yon.
I claim it.
Masasabi mo yun, nararamdaman ko na, no? Parang, uy, may surprise na naman sa akin, unexpected, mga ganon. Those are beautiful things that you truly deserve, ha?
Thank you.
Happy 2024 sa'yo. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Baba mo na kita, ha?
Sige po.
Para makapag-moment ka po dyan. Go.
Na-realize ko, di ba, I'm all in the healing, pero na-realize ko na may mga areas pa rin talaga na I need to focus on.
Aha, ano ulit? Areas
May
na?
mga areas that I need to focus on.
Yes, true, no?
Kasi
I guess
diba,
nakita mo yun kasi dinadaanan natin lahat ng chakras mo.
ako, parang nung una pa lang, sabi ko, bakit ang sakit sa ulo kapag ini-imagine ko yung white light na pumapasok? So I know that parado talaga siya. Tapos,
That's okay, no? You have to clear it naman talaga.
Ko, parang maluwag siya. Pero pagdating, sir, nung ko na-realize na yung solar plexus, habang kine-cleanse natin siya, para akong ginagastritis, pero hindi naman.
Parang may dighay ka ng dighay.
Hindi siya dighay ng dighay, sir. Parang may masakit na ball sa loob.
Yun yung blockade, madam. Matigas yun. Para kang ini-impattion dating, no?
Yes, opo.
So,
Tapos,
kini-clear out yun kanina. It has to move, madam, no?
yes.
Yeah.
Tapos, sir, noong una kasi, parang pinipin down yung kamay ko na nag-energy healing tayo. Alam mo yung sa wrist mo siya nakadagan. So parang okay. Pero na-realize ko sir kasi upon the healing that there was an instance na lumalabas yung kuryente sa paa mo. So you know that
Yes.
it's working. Kasi
Yes,
ramdam ko
yes.
talaga siya sir na lumalabas sa paa.
Na, I guess most of you felt na electrifying and
Opo.
and magnetic at the same time yung ating session tonight, correct?
Yes. Tapos sir, 'di ba meron kayong part na yung parang sinabi nyo na let go of the poor attitude, parang poor mindset.
Poverty consciousness.
Poverty consciousness. Sorry, poor mindset. Ano ba?
Yes,
When
poor mindset, ganun din yan.
I actually said na I am self-sufficient. Gumanon ako. And
So nagising na yung ano mo talaga.
alam mo sir, yung feeling mo nung sinasabi mo yun, parang akong kinilig.
Ha?
Parang akong kinilig.
Yes, kasi nagigising na yung totoong mindset mo na self-sufficient, abundant,
Opo. So
may
parang,
tiwala sa sarili na makakasurvive. Magiging
parang
abundant.
I feel na yung last energy healing, it's more on realizations that
Yes.
parang there is progress, pero you are still a work in progress.
Yes, all of us are, no? All of us
Okay.
are.
Yan lang, sir. It's
So you
enlightening.
are rediscovering your true power, that you are abundant, naturally abundant. No?
Yes po.
So, yan. Pero naramdaman mo para may kuryente and para may magnet din at the same
Opo,
time?
parang lumalabas sa paa ko.
Mm-mm.
Yun yung pakiramdam. Tapos yun nga po, nung nag-isa-isa tayo, doon ko na-feel na parang solar plexus masakit. Pagdating dun sa baba, parang feeling ko naman, you see that there are areas that you still need to work on.
Totoo, no?
Which is
Yun po talaga ang...
Opo.
Go ahead.
Which is actually a good thing, sir. Kasi sometimes,
Yes.
na-realize ko na we tend to focus on things that we believe we need to work on, pero hindi na pala yun yung area na kailangan mo
Yes, no?
bantayan. Kasi diba parang for the longest time, nandito tayo sa heart kasi nandun yung mga galit and everything. Tapos when you go through this activity, it's not really the heart that needs the healing. It would be your solar plexus or it's your head chakra that you're not yet fully open to receive.
No?
Yun,
Yeah.
sir. It's a
Yeah, kasi
realization.
ganun po kasi talaga no, yung mga private energy healings ko, madam. No? As you know naman, the client himself or herself would discover kung ano yung mga blockades sa akin. And kanina in our session, you saw it's the solar plexus that needs deep healing. If you remember yung ating session last time, yung tarot reading
Yes,
natin, parang there's a big call for you to do healing. That is the solar plexus, the inner child healing. So nakita mo kanina how dense the blockade is. No, pero yan, meron ka na receive na energy kanina, so it's going to work, no? No, ayan. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sige, sir.
so,
Baba na po ako.
sige, thank you so much for your participation, ha, Miss Leah.
Bye-bye.
God bless you and happy 2024 to you. A blessed 2024 for you, ha?
Yes, sir.
Take care and God bless. Uy! Ang ganda-ganda naman ng ngiti ni, Miss Grace.
Siyempre, balik lahat, sir. Alam mo na
ba?
yan?
Medyo maingay yan, medyo maingay.
Balik lahat, sir. Alam mo na. Lahat gastos, balik lahat.
Okay. Is it a good thing or what do you mean?
Good. Good. As in,
Yung lahat ng
balik
gastos
lahat.
bumalik. Oh my
Yes.
God! Congratulations! Nakatulong ba yung oil sa'yo? Nakatulong?
Yes, sir. Sa simula pa lang nung ginamit ko talaga siya, kagad. Balik agad.
Oh my God! Na nakikita mo na yung benefits ng power ng Atom Energy Healing Oil sa'yo. No? And yun nga,
Yes.
abundance. No? Parang ang saya-saya mo. Pero happy kasi Kasi now you have the extra funds, the financial power to fulfill kung ano man yung gusto mong i-manifest. No? Sa 2024, tapos yung sa healing ng mami mo, may pang-funds ka na, ganyan-ganyan, ano? Sa healing mo, ganyan-ganyan, ano pa, no? Ano may kailangan mo? To your heart's content. I'm happy, you deserve the blessing. Ha?
Yes, sir. Yung sa session natin, sir, ngayon, dito na lang, sir, yung parang throat ko. Parang inaano siya, minamassage. Yun yung naramdaman ko. Kasi parang gitna na ako, sir, kanina.
Ayo nga pala,
Pero-
no? Oo, no?
Pero yung pag gumagamit, every time na ako gumagamit, sir, talagang may swerteng dating.
Talaga? Okay. So, paano mo siya ina-apply? Paano mo ginagamit yung ating energy healing oil?
Yung ano, sir, yung mismong chakra.
Pakita mo naman, may
Dito,
hawak kang
dito.
energy healing oil.
Ay, wait lang.
Pakita mo din, ano? Sabi mo lang, ine-ene mo kami. Sige, ayan, ayan, matching, cleaning. Sige, paano? How do you use it?
Ayun, dito, sir. Dito. Tapos dito. Tapos
Sa
sa
throat.
heart. Dun sa
Heart.
throat.
Solar plexus,
Dito sa plexus. Dun sa,
may
sa baba.
pusod,
Sa puso.
Saka sa
Tapos
puson.
yung yes, sabay ko yan, sir. Tapos yun sa tail na tinatawag natin.
sa tailbone, sa root
Baby.
chakra, no?
Sir, ako, morning, tapos gabi. Tapos nilalagyan ko rin yung anak ko. Yung naglalagay ako dito, then dito, tsaka yung heart nila. Tapos
Very
pag
good.
lumalabas kami, sir, ginagamit ko rin siya.
Magpapasal kayo sa family. Pati husband
Kontra
mo.
usok. Yes, nagpapalagay na siya ngayon.
Uy, thank you naman, na-appreciate ko si sir kasi open-minded siya, tinatry niya, no? Sana
Oo,
pala natin si
pero
sir ngayon
konti
sa healing
siya.
natin.
Wala siya ngayon eh. Kasi
wala
nag-asikaso,
po.
sir, ng bukas namin. Di ba?
Okay, no? Naku, happy-happy ang New Year niya, ha? Masagana. So, kapag ina-apply mo siya, may nararamdaman ka bang something?
Yes, mainit sa katawan, sir.
Init,
Then talagang
no?
parang, kasi nag-ano ako nagme-meditate eh.
Oh, very
Siguro
good,
30
no?
minutes lang, sir. Ang ginagawa ko talaga, parang nabibisin ka talaga siya every time na nag-a-abundance ako.
Oh my God!
Abundance talaga.
Ayan, guys, ha?
Kaya tapos minsan, yung puso ko, sir, talagang parang lumalaki. Parang gumaganon siya.
May expansion.
Yes,
Yes,
yun yung
yes.
nararamdaman ko mostly. Kasi parang iba hindi ko pa masyadong gabay. Pero ito, sir,
Yes.
yung throat ko talaga medyo talaga parang sinasakal or parang ginaganon ako. Possible ba yun, sir?
Baka meron ka rin mga ubo-ubo ngayon kasi panahon talaga ngayon, medyo bala tayo yung ubo eh. No? Baka yun, no? O kaya naman, partly, baka communication thing. Baka you need to see a blockade regarding sa expression, self-expression, baka may ganong issue, no? Pero you meditate on it, ha? Kasi di ba nagme-meditate ka naman, so focus sa heart chakra mo. Ano bang gusto mo? Ano bang gusto mong ganon, ha?
Oo nga.
Okay?
Alam ko nang gusto ko, sir.
Alam mo na. Congrats.
Oo.
Sige, how did the energy healing feel tonight? Parang ano ba siya? Parang electric and magnetic at the same time?
Sa akin kanina kasi nasa
How
half
did it
na
feel?
ako. Mostly, electric siya. As in talagang kinukuryente niya. Every chakras ko. Parang tinatamaan niyang ganon.
Nararamdaman niya parang may kuryente, may ground. No? Very good yan.
Yes,
no?
sir. Kasi,
Ayan.
nasasanay na ako dahil nagme-meditate at the same time. Tapos, ginagamit pa everyday. So, parang
Yes.
na ako, parang immune. Ganun na nangyayari.
Yes, meron siyang, guys, no, cumulative effect. May araw-araw na
Yan.
ginagamit, nag-accumulate yung energy doon, no? So, kumbaga parang si Miss Grace, parang, in a way, parang 24 hours na siya, nag-energy healing.
Yes, sir.
And I know yung intuition mo ngayon mas malakas na. Na?
Oo nga, sayang hindi ako nakasabay ng maayos, sir.
No? Okay lang yun, ano. Gano'n nga, every Saturday na lang talaga yung commitment ko. Tapos anytime during the week, baka magkaroon na lang ako, no? Yes. Medyo changes lang ng ating schedule, no? Pero yeah. Basta tuloy-tuloy na lang yan, ha? Anything
Sige,
else,
sir.
madam?
Wala na.
Wala
Sinabi ko
na.
na yung
So, God
good
bless
news, sir.
sa'yo. Thank you for sharing the good news. Ano ko to, as testimonial, ha?
Sige, sir.
Papublish ko na as testimonial. Sige, any last few words about sa benefit ng energy healing oil sa'yo? Pakita mo ulit.
Eto,
Sorry.
ay, naku, yung bata. Ayan, yung bata. Ayun, okay yung benefits niya. Itself talaga sa atin from spiritual to physical. Then, manifesting talaga to follow na lang eh. Makikita mo talaga in the future talaga. Follow na lang. Basta, follow the instructions. At, yung meditation. Kasi yun yung unang step na gagawin mo talaga. Kasi kapag nakalimutan mo yun, hindi mo magagawa yung the way na gusto mong maabot, sir. Yun yung nakikita ko sa kanila.
I'm happy na spiritually nabe-bless ka, emotionally, physically, and pati yung abundance na buong family mo, no? Merong blessing, no? So, congratulations. Lahat naman yan galing kay God. Deserve ko naman din talaga yan. Ha? Okay. So, thank you so much, Miss Grace. Guys, no? Si Miss Grace kasi yung unang-unang umorder nito. Unang-unang nagtiwala talaga, no?
Yes.
Kumbaga, she's also a gracia to me. Kasi siya yung unang binili talaga, no? So, thank you so much, Miss Grace. God bless you and happy 2024, no? Year of the Dragon. Bye-bye. Take care. Miss Maricon, would you like to share? Kamusta yung iyong experience sa ating session tonight?
Ayun sir, masaya lang po ako dun sir sa mga nakita ko kanina.
Saan?
Kasi nasa isang palayan po ako ng malaki. Tapos,
Teka, during the energy healing session to?
Opo.
Okay, during the energy healing session, ano po yung mga na-vision ninyo?
Yung ano po sir, nasa palayan po ako na malaki na palayan. Tapos nagpapagapas daw po ako ng palay.
Okay.
Tapos
So yung palay ay
sa tabi ko
golden
po,
grains, no? Sa vision of
Apo.
golden grains. Very good. Ano pa po?
Tapos sa tabi ko sir, may mga sako na may mga laman na bigas.
Oh.
Sa akin daw yun lahat.
Oh, nag-harvest ka na. And meron ka pang mga tauhan
Opo,
na
sir.
nag-harvest for you. Ang ganda, no? So, ayan, no? Pine-prepare ka na talaga for this sa mga blessing mo, no? Yun, no? Kasi mga signs talaga yan, ano? Ano pa po, madam? Congratulations.
Ano sir, makating-makati yung palad ko kanina pa.
Naku, yan na yun, ano? Yan na yun, eh. Pag sinabing makati yung palad, no? Yan na yun talaga, eh. Di ba? Tumaya ka na. Kung tumantaya ka man, no? Kung nagloloto ka man, why not? Try mo na din. No? Kasi
Apo.
baka doon dumaan yung abundance or kung saan bagay siya magmamanifest, no? Para sa'yo. Sige, ano pa po? Laging kumakati rin daw si Miss Grace, yung kanyang palad.
Opo. Lagi po.
Sige, ano pa po?
Yun lang sir. Ano lang, masaya lang po yung pakiramdam ko ngayon. Tsaka
No,
magaan po
very-
yung dibdib ko. Apo.
Oo, no, very good, no? Anong pakiramdam energy ngayon? Parang electric ba and magnetic at the same time? May nafe-feel ka
Para
ba?
po siyang parang may malamig po kasing pumasok po sa akin.
Parang
Na parang
cold na.
nakaka-relax po ng isip at saka ano po. Kaya kanina para po akong pakiramdam ko natutulog na ako. Kasi
Para ka nang
malamig po siya.
hinihili.
Opo.
Okay, very good.
Masarap
I'm
po sa
happy, no?
pakiramdam.
I'm happy na napaka-pleasant, no? Tapos yung manifestation sa dulo, nakapag-concentrate ka ba sa gusto mong i-manifest?
Yes po.
Okay, very good, no? And naramdaman mo yung downpour ng energy ni God, no? empowering yung gusto mong i-manifest, no? So, yan. Congratulations, Miss Maricon. I'm happy na naka-attend ka, no? And yung mga visions mo ganyan, maganda yan, ha? Okay?
Salamat
Okay.
po.
Okay. I'm happy that you're here, no?
Thank you po,
And
sir.
I'm sure naman na connected ka kanina sa ating energy healing and meron ka pa rin blessing nun, ano?
Apo.
Ano yung nararamdaman mo kanina? Kahit ano?
Kahit malamig, mainit sa katawan. Tapos yung nare-receive ko yung sa palad po.
Ay, sabi kong gumanon kayo, no?
Opo.
Nararamdaman. Okay, very
na
good.
ganun.
Oh, very good. I'm happy na kasi very sincere naman din yung heart ni Miss Rosel to join the energy healing. Very humble siya. Kaya kahit medyo busy siya, namamasyal, connected pa din siya and she can still feel the yung pagpasok po ng energy sa kaya yung blessing ni God, no? Ayan. So, thank you so much. No? God bless you. Happy
Thank you po.
2024 sa'yo.
God bless din po.
And also, Maricon, happy 2024. A blessed 2024 sa lahat. No? So, yan, I'm happy talaga kasi kayong lahat ay nakaka-experience ng benefits ng energy healing natin. Tsaka yung mga gumagamitan ng oil. Lalo na si Miss Grace, no? I'm really surprised, no, na napaka-laki ng blessing agad, no, na nare-receive mo, no? Hindi lang sa spiritual, emotional, even sa financial aspect ng blessings, no? So, yun, kanina yung ginawa nating healing kanina, guys, is a special type of energy healing. For manifestation talaga yon, no? So, medyo intensive yon yung 20 minutes kanina. Lahat ng chakras kanina, piniclear natin, pinupurify natin, and then, yung malaking pasok ng energy healing ni God, yung divine energy ni God, nire-receive natin, which we will use to empower yung ating mga wishes, no? If you'd like to have a private session with me, ng gano'n na one-on-one, 2 hours yon na talagang focus lang talaga for manifestation for the year 2024, let me know, no? Para magkaroon tayo ng schedule for private energy healing session, no? So, buong January, gagawin ko siya, i-offer ko siya. After ng January, not sure kung i-offer ko siya ulit, no? Kasi kumbaga ang intention nun for the entire year, no? Para ma-empower yung mga wishes ninyo, no? So let me know lang if you'd like a private one-on-one session for energy healing and manifestation, okay? Ayan. So as usual, I offer energy healing, I offer tarot reading session, I offer past life reading, communication with the deceased loved ones, no? So that would be all, guys. Maraming salamat po sa mga sumali ngayon. Thank you for attending my last energy healing session for the year, no? For 2023, no? So kitang-kita ulit tayo sa 2024, no? It's a year of the dragon. Very, very powerful 'yan. And magiging extra special ulit yung ating mga energy healing sessions, no? Kumbaga lulubusin natin yung every Saturday, ha? So, always attend yung every Saturday. And kapag may free time naman ako, magpapa-energy healing session ito ko during the week. Love you all, guys. Thank you for supporting nga pala. Thank you, guys, for supporting me for this year, no? Thank you for supporting my spiritual work and for the trust na binibigay niyo sa akin, no? Hindi kayo bumibitaw. Salamat po na marami. God bless you all. And I love you all, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.